How you can transfer money from Cash App to your Apple Pay. So the first thing is you can link your bank to Apple Wallet and Cash App first, and you will need to link the same bank account to your Apple Pay and your Cash App. This should be for a checking account, and it needs to be the same bank account for both applications. The second step is you can transfer your money from your Cash App to your bank. You can do this by opening up your Cash App on your phone and tap on your balance and enter the amount how much you want to send, and simply tap on transfer and then confirming the transfer. So the third step is you just have to transfer the balance from your bank to your Apple Wallet. Open the wallet application on your iPhone or iPad. Simply search for it, and after that you just have to tap on the plus sign in the upper right corner, and then you just need to add your bank account and follow the on-screen instruction to enter your account information. If prompted, enter the verification code that was sent to you by your bank. So hope this helped. This is how you can transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay.